mind-boggling, crazy endgame moves happen in the silver bull era.
We're setting a bit of a historic precedent here.
Was it really that event that caused the rally to go up?
The economy is going to start suffering pain.
That's going to be bonkers.
Okay, guys, welcome to another episode of Talking Trades with myself, Kevin Wadsworth, and my friend and business partner, Patrick Karim. Okay, here's a question for you. How is it possible that we're late to the silver trade when the party hasn't even started yet? Pat, I know a lot of people are thinking that silver's moved up from $14, $15 to $30 or more, and the price has moved up quite a bit. But are we late to the party, or has it not even started?
My goodness, we are not late at all. The bulk of the move for silver lies, and guys, of course, I'm going to show you charts for this, lies ahead. There is no, look, to create an uptrend, you need price to start off a low, right? Only with hindsight, you know that was a low. So if ever the low was at $10 or $15, now you're at 30. Well, that's fine. That's a 100% move, but that's just going to create a swing high and a higher low. And that's how you start an uptrend, right, guys? So that's just the beginning. Just on the nominal chart, silver is in the early stages of a bull market. It's trying to go back up. But the true mind-boggling, crazy endgame moves happen in the silver bull era, right? So silver is in a bull market, right? It's trending above its 3-year moving average, its 1-year moving average. It's carving out on the monthly chart higher lows, higher highs, bull market. But a bull era is when you're in a bull market on your price chart, but you're also in a bull market against the SPX or against a stock market, against a major competing asset classes. And that's where you'll see that, my goodness, I'm going to share my screen there so people could actually see what's happening there. You need to outperform the SPX. You have to start trending a meaningful way in the SPX. And once silver is able to do that, you'll see here back in the 2000s, this is silver against the SPX, right? So if this is going down, it doesn't mean silver price going down. It means that the SPX is doing better than silver, whether the price is going up or down of either of those. It's just telling you if you're forced to hold the stock market or you're forced to hold silver, one or the other, which one's better? And that's what this ratio chart is going to help you answer. So here's the 2000 bottoming process, which was kind of acute. We have a recession right here. And then after that, silver starts carving out higher highs, higher lows above the 3-year moving average, above the neckline here. And after that, it went through, it hit the cloud, and after that, it kept going up. But look what happened after. For a decade, from 2002, or let's say 2003, all the way to 2011, 12, silver destroyed the stock market, destroyed. If I would have priced this in the opposite way, the stock market probably lost over 80, 90% of its value priced in silver, man. Think about that for 10 years. That's crazy amount of outperformance, right? This is a crazy amount of safety. And the crazy move for silver there, when silver like just rocketed there like to $50, it didn't happen at the beginning, guys. It happened at the end and the exhaustion of a 10-year run of outperformance. And then when you start, you see hit that 3-year moving average, hit. Look at that. It's beautiful uptrend to ride. Yes, volatile, but it keeps trending upwards. And once you start getting those closes below that 3-year moving average, that was it, right? That was the end of it. But guys, look where we are today. My goodness, look right here. We just started doing that first higher low versus SPX, just like they started doing it here back in the early 2000s. We just did the first one here, and here a higher high. Now we're hitting some resistance. Now there's a descending resistance line. We're above the 3-year moving average. So this is super embryonic, right? We're right here at the early stages, guys. My goodness, have a little bit of imagination. If you're really that bullish on silver, then why are you so eager to front run all this? While it's fair, you could do it, but if you're so bullish on silver, the long-term prospects, it should play out over 8-10 years after a breakout, right? And the crazy parabolic moves, they don't happen at the beginning. They happen at the end of this, when everybody goes crazy, right? You have those at the end. guys, how could it be the end? It hasn't even started yet, right? I keep telling that to people. I know, like, stack or stack, guys, it's fine there, but just this is the long-term roadmap for silver versus stock market, right? Once we get that breakout here about above that dashed line, that means we're going to be carving out even a higher low, a higher high from further away, even more meaningful. We're going to be crossing above more resistance. That resistance will become support. We'll be trending upwards, and that 3-year moving average will start inclining, right? And that's momentum. That's important, right? Now we're coiled and tight, close to that 3-year moving average, and eventually we're going to explode, go sideways, explode, go sideways. And we're going to be doing that for 8 years, 10 years, right? I hope this chart just really helps to show you that it's so early, man. It's so early. Like, silver could be $50 by the time this thing breaks out, right? It's in a bull market on its own price chart. That's fine. But the crazy moves, right, for silver to go to $100, $200, $500, wherever your target is, or at least for silver to do better than the stock market, they're going to happen above this dash line, right? Above the dash line, not before. I'll show you another example there with other commodities. It's the same thing here. Copper, same thing, guys. It looks like the silver chart. Here's copper versus stock market. See in the 2000s, bottoming pattern, outperforming the stock market. Look, even copper hasn't broken out versus stock market. It's trying higher lows. Maybe here's going to do a higher high eventually. So that's another way. Silver, copper, these metals, they track each other. They haven't started their bull era yet. I'll show you another one also. Here's the platinum versus stock market. Look at that. That's what you see in a bull era, right? Outperformance of the stock market for your instrument. So your instrument is doubling and doubling again in price and fiat, but it has to outperform the SPX, right? You need those capital flows to go into your instrument. And look at even platinum's far off. It's below its 3-year moving average. So there's a lot of time left. There's a lot of time left, Kevin, for a crazy bull run. I know we're all eager. We want, our silver price to go up, but at the end of the day, if you look at those charts, it hasn't started yet. And once it does get started, you have many, many years there to jump in and to buy as it's breaking out and ride that thing for many, many years there.
Yeah, and there's a key to all that, of course, and the key to that at the moment is the stock market itself, because we know that silver outperforms gold, for example, after the stock market has reached its bear market lows. Go back and look at what happened in the early 2000s, and you'll see that very, very clearly. Silver's periods of outperformance going back through the decades is after the stock markets have suffered a severe decline. The stock market hasn't done that yet. So it's all ahead of us, Pat. The party has not even started. That's great news. I hope I get an invitation to that party. It's going to be a good one. Okay, everybody. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more like this. Bye-bye for now.